Hey guys, Kentech41 here, and today's video we're gonna do the unboxing of one of the best budget mic that I bought from Lazada, which is actually the BOYA BY-M1. It's actually a lapel microphone. So this is the first time that I'm going to use the external mic since most of my vlog doesn't have the external mic. So tingnan natin kung maganda bang quality niya. So delivery approximately 4 days and walang hassle. So ito ang BOYA. Approximately 6 meters yung haba ng kanyang cable. The microphone can handle smartphones, DSLR, camcorders. Meron siyang LR44 battery, which is tingnan natin later. Every time na gagamitin yung mic, so since smartphone naman gagamitin natin, always use this switch nitong nasa baba. Then ito yung lagay ng battery. Hassle yata itong pagkabit. So we're gonna put the battery inside. Then meron siyang pin holder. So ito yung foam windscreen niya, and I think we're just going to insert this thing here, and then the LR44 battery, which is, and then the way we put inside, ano kaya to? So after a couple of minutes, I finally managed to insert the LR44 battery inside the power module. Yun nga, medyo hassle. So ginamit ko lang ng small scissors, pinush back ko lang spring niya, and then at the same time in-insert ko yung battery. So I think yun yung mga downside nito, no? Pero as I said, we're just using the smartphone, so actually we don't need to insert the battery, but I just show you guys on how to insert this one. But if you're using the smartphone as your main camera, I think you don't need to insert this anymore. Okay, so talking about the packaging, it's pretty much straightforward. You are immediately presented with the microphone and its accessories, and this is what you all get in this package. Of course, the live microphone, the Love microphone, which has the 3.5 millimeter jack, and the power module with switch on and off, and then the clip together with the foam windscreen and the 1/4 inch adapter. I'm not sure kung para saan to. And then of course the manual and what is it? The warranty card. Okay, so let's take a look at how the BOYA BY-M1 performs on the Huawei Mate 30, which is I'm using right now as my main camera. So take note, I'm not using any external microphone from my smartphone. So right now I'm going to insert this BY-M1 to my phone, and let's see if the audio quality improves. Okay, so here's what it sounds like using the inbuilt microphone directly from my Huawei Mate 30. So as you can see here, I'm not yet inserting my BOYA BY-M1 directly from my phone. I'm just testing the audio quality. Sound check, Huawei Mate 30. So right now, I'm gonna be using the BOYA BY-M1 directly from my phone. Okay, so this is how it sounds like using the BOYA BY-M1 microphone plug into my smartphone, which is I'm using Huawei Mate 30. So I'm about a couple of inches away from my phone. Sound check, BOYA BY-M1, sound check. Huawei Mate 30, sound check. BOYA BY-M1, sound check. Huawei Mate 30. As you can see, medyo nilagay ko lang siya dito sa may dulo. Hindi ko masyadong nilapit sa mouthpiece ko. So, yep. So, let me try removing the windshield. So this is how it sounds like without the windshield protector. So Let me, okay, sound check without the windshield protector. Sound check, BOYA BY-M1, Huawei Mate 30. So again, it's a matter of choice, but if you are planning to have your first external microphone, especially when you are using your smartphone as your main camera, and most of the time you're doing indoors video, then you might considering buying the BOYA BY-M1, which is very affordable nowadays in Lazada. So wala pa 1,000, mayroon ka ng mic na napakadaling gamitin without hassle, especially yung LR44. You don't need to insert it when you are using the smartphone itself. So I think that's all for now, guys, and hope to see you again to the next video. Goodbye.